Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. This week, August 11th to be exact, Marvel Studios and Disney Plus launched a new animated series called What If. I have to say, the art looks amazing, the animations are awesome, and I thought to myself it was a cool idea to draw some of those characters in my own style. And if you want to learn more about this series, I will tell you everything about it while I'm drawing. So let's go!
Slow down a little bit, there's a few people in the room that don't understand. Not me, I get it.
What If is an upcoming American animated series created by A.C. Bradley for the streaming service Disney Plus, based on the Marvel Comics series of the same name. It is intended to be the fourth television series in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, produced by Marvel Studios and the studio's first animated series. The series explores alternate timelines in the multiverse that show what would happen if major moments from the MCU films occurred differently. Jeffrey Wright stars as the Watcher, who narrates the series, alongside many of the MCU actors reprising their roles. The first season of What If is scheduled to premiere on August 11th and will consist of 9 episodes. It will be part of Phase 4 of the MCU, and the second 9-episode season is in development. For this drawing, I wanted to include a selection of characters I've never drawn before, like Captain Carter, Captain America as a zombie, the Watcher, and the Hydra Stomper. The pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is... Thinking time. Here we go. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked my drawing of What If. And are there some more characters of this series that you would like to see me draw as well? Please let me know in the comment section. And if you liked the video guys, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me and this channel even more, share this content on all your social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend my friends, we will see each other again next Friday. Bye!